Yeah. Don't give it to me easy. I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage.
Well. And the journey begins. Bullshit.
What is it?
Fucking trailer washroom. I walked this fucking far for a trailer washroom.
Well, this is good, yeah.
So we just got kicked out of the mall because we're not allowed to vlog in there. But you know,
legally allowed to vlog in any public place.
Okay? Red Deer Mall. We're not even staying here. So we're
call
going
Red Deer Mall.
I'm fine. I'm taking my business elsewhere.
I don't need your.
Okay, YouTube.
And that's how you start off your Edmonton trip. Alright guys, we're back in Edmonton. Well, we didn't really vlog much yesterday.
No, bottle flip at the weirdest spot.
We were here yesterday, we went swimming. We couldn't get much footage because apparently there's privacy issues.
That was a dick.
Yeah, there's privacy issues. You know, you can't record underwater. I don't know why. You already know I hit jackpot, so we're eating good tonight. Elevator is open. Everyone get in! Okay, why not, right? Guys, there's fire alarms in here. And the elevator's gonna stop. Ethan, stop! What? What happened? Did it break? I don't know.
It broke. Dad, it broke.
I don't think it broke.
No, I don't
No,
think it broke.
somebody before this went in there.
I was at this window. Yeah, I was here the whole time. No, it didn't break. No, ask Josh. I kept getting the bonus one.
He's white. He don't play basketball.
Kobe Bryant. He has a Kobe now. Kobe, it's so finally nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing not too bad today. About to make some splash.
Yeah, Kobe, that's how it's done. And we'll be back. Almost be a high scoring. Shit, this. Oh. Ready? That's a clean grab. That is a weak ass claw. That is a weak ass claw. No, that went over perfectly.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was.
I think you could have got that one back there.
Nah, bro, that was so whack. What happened? Did you fucking find $5 on the ground? Yo, why are you so weak?
Oh, you're supposed to hit it weak, you idiot.
You're so weak. Shut up. Yo, did you just get kicked out of Hudson?
Quit Hudson. We got kicked out of Hudson's. Now we're going somewhere else.
Alright, let's go somewhere.
Nicole will pick the ballot then. Alrighty, the lucky winner of the Miller Bridge is Connor Farley.
What are the odds? Oh my goodness!
Yeah, Connor won it, eh? Wait, yeah. Just walk it home. Wait, how are we bringing this back to Calgary? I don't know. Connor, yo.
He just won. Guys, it looks like Rishi's actually carrying a full-length fridge here, but he's actually small. Rishi, why do you want to carry it?
Yo, he gave up, Small. Yo, bro, that's what you get for winning a mini fridge.
I got a shitty grip on this right now.
So, do you regret it? Do you regret it or?
No, I don't regret it. It's the dopest thing I've won this weekend.
Yo, guys, the mall's closed. Is that securities?
Let's go. And then you just... Yeah, we're on. Oh no, turn mine on.
You know, you just stole one. No way. Put it back, dude. You turn. Go back.
Don't have to go, please. I'll push you. Oh god. No, we got to go.
Yo, put it back.
Get off.
So just letting you guys know, the mall closed a few hours ago.
We stole this and we gotta go.
Stole a fridge.
Oh yes.
So we. Yo, let's go.
Here.
Yo, Connor's still freezing.
Donuts. Will work.
So this is 24 and 50 was over there.
To the park to get to school. Knuckle kids all cool. Still shooting some hoop. Our car pulls up, who can it be? A fresh apple Milo rolling kilo.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Friggy's ready for the weekend, boys.
That's the fridge we take every single month.
She said yeah. She said I don't know if it'll be good since then.
Rishi's still doing that.
We're leaving the house. We have to go.
We have to go. They're kicking us out. We gotta go. Let's go. We'll figure this.
It was a good Edmonton trip. Time to head back to Calgary, make some other videos. And
I want a fridge!
Tim, what you guys say to the vlog?
Fucked up this whole weekend and I wanna die.
What?
Edmonton sucks. Don't ever come here.
Don't ever come to shithole Alberta.
I want to go swimming. Alright, good night, goodbye, love.
Goodbye. See ya.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love at least to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love at least to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me
Where are you
tell you
guys?
something. I'm in it for the
Yo, Rishi looks like he's at home.